Hey, welcome back to Random Things with BK. Today I'm going to show you something that will be helpful this time of year because we're all starting to have limbs to trim and things like that in our yard. My loppers here are pretty dull. So I'm going to start with my file, and this is just your standard hand file like you'd sharpen an axe or something like that with. You can purchase these off of Amazon or online or like at a hardware store. And you can see, I don't know how well to translate on the camera, but you can see there's an angle. So you want to stay with that angle, and you're just going to work down the blade. And it's easier if you put it into some kind of a vise to hold it. I'm already putting a pretty good edge on there. You don't want to get it like kitchen knife thin, because then it'll just bend when you try to slice into something. But you do want to get a decent edge back on it and work out any nicks or scratches, big scrapes or anything that's in there. All right, so you can see real quickly I got there. Now I'm going to take my fine stone and again, you can see I'm holding it at the angle of the blade there. And just with a little bit of work there. Oh yeah, much better. So, that's all it takes. You can quickly sharpen your loppers back up and they'll cut just like new. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. Leave any comments that you may have or questions in the comments. And I hope you have a wonderful day.